Hi there Scorpio, thank you for joining me for your weekly forecast for week commencing the 24th of March. The Sun continues in your sector of practicalities, work, health, life organisation, attention to detail. But it is fortunate as this week begins a right angle with the Moon in Capricorn, and this can create quite a lot of nervous energy, particularly if you are feeling especially virtuous and want to do a lot this week and get a lot done, which is completely commendable. But it is going to be important, if you're minded to do so, that you set a realistic plan, because if you don't, you could find yourself becoming more and more tense in trying to cram everything in and going at 1,000,000 miles an hour. But on Monday and Tuesday, Mercury continues to combine with Neptune, which certainly is going to give you an inspirational ability or potential when it comes to imagination and creativity. But it also can create confusion around your love life. The Sun's in the part of your horoscope which is about precision. So if there's something in your love life that you feel lacks it, you may be a little bit more sharp-tongued in letting your partner or love interest know that you're not happy. And that can be another downside of the quarter moon. You could say something without thinking through what the ramifications could be. Fortunately, Mercury then goes on to forge an absolutely brilliant link with Jupiter. And you could find yourself booking a holiday in the second half of this week, a course of study, some form of retraining, or just getting really knowledgeable about something that's important to you. And this points towards some kind of growth. Because the Sun is in your sector of work, perhaps you're thinking you want to do something which helps you to express your full qualities to the full, and you're not just doing something more mundane. However, if your role is in helping people in some way, take great credit from this, because it's very important that we give something back in this world. And if you are in a role that's to do with caring, nursing, teaching, anything to do with the food distribution, these are areas that you can really make a difference at this time. Now Venus, the planet of love and affection, continues in your home zone, but it's collecting with Mars towards the end of this week, suggesting that you could have quite a useful conversation with someone that you're very close to, but it might surprise you what gets said. There could be a recollection from the past, but the way it comes about and the memories that come up could really actually be very heartwarming. There may also be a secret admirer that's going to make themselves known to a member of your family. However, as this week draws to a close, there is a new moon, and this new moon is really pushing you to turn over a new leaf when it comes to your bodily welfare. So if you are someone who's clinging on to some not so virtuous habits, this is your opportunity to think again, even if you have been a bit of a refusenik or slightly in denial about the impact that your diet is having upon you. So the more novel approaches you take in the weeks to come, then the better it can be. And there could also be a completely surprising opportunity to earn new money. However, this may come about in a way which sees you challenged somehow. Someone may give you some information which at first you're not too receptive to. So it may feel like they're being a bit personal to you. So if someone does challenge your approach to something, although it may be a bit disconcerting, try to learn from it in the next few weeks. It's been a real pleasure being with you. Thank you for joining me. Good luck and goodbye for now.